Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have a special recipe, chotpoti. Wash the mortar overnight. "20 hours later, this is how it should look. Wash the mortar. Keep it in a big handy. Add 1 litre water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover the mortar with a lid for 1 hour. Chotpoti masala. Fry the dried chilies for 2 minutes. Add coriander. Add black pepper. 1 tablespoon of jeera. 1 tablespoon of guacamole. 1 teaspoon of methi. Fry it for 2 minutes. Blend it all together. Look at this chotpoti masala. Add the water to the chotpoti. 10 minutes later, take the seeds out. Look at this chotpoti juice. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Half a teaspoon of salt. Add chili flakes. Mix it all together. Crush 4 potatoes into the mix. Mix it all together. 2 tablespoons of chotpoti masala. Mix it all together. This is how it looks 30 minutes later. Onions, cucumbers, chilies, tomatoes, coriander and eggs. Chotpoti juice. Add onions, cucumbers, add tomatoes, coriander, add chilies, add eggs, 3 teaspoons of chotpoti juice. Mix it all together. Put it into another bowl. It looks so yummy, I can't wait to eat it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Goodbye. We already ate it, it's so yummy.